Alright, so hello world, welcome to the first video. So in this video, we're gonna create Google accounts, at least redesign how Google accounts gonna work in our G Suite. Maybe we should rename G Suite to something else. Comment down below if you think you have some good ideas. Alright, so I'm just gonna start by creating a new GitHub repository here. This is my version for G Suite. Alright. Public, yep. Let's create this repository. Alright. Let me just do a clone really quick. Alright, in here I'm just gonna say git clone. Alright, nice. Cd into GitHub. Sorry, not that one. GSuite. Let's code this up. Do you guys think I should use Vim or Visual Studio Code? I don't know Vim anyway. I don't even know how to quit Vim. Alright. Okay, so I'm having a little bit of trouble about designing how should the branches system be. So this is pretty spread out. Because the idea is this. It's going to be separate by different branch. Each different branch represents a new feature. That's something that I want to do. So each branch does represent a new feature. Yeah, that's how I want to encounter this. So I don't want to create like a repository for each feature, but I just want to keep them clustered into one repository. So that's how I want to do it. Okay. So I think we'll go start is we'll go create README. GSuite recreate. Alright, so let's see. Let me go real quick. Check box in Markdown. Alright, there we go. Let me copy this. Alright, so in here, gonna have Google account. What else do we want to have as well? There's lots of Google service we can do. Okay. Well, we have Google Drive, right? Google Doc. I forgot what are the else that I plan to do because there's too much that's I listed, but I'm just gonna list this here just so we can see a checkbox there. Let me go ahead and add this. Just commit this now. Initial commits. Alright, gonna git checkout. So now we're not gonna call Google anymore. It's just gonna be called account. Alright. So let's see how this account thing should work. First, let me change G Suite or create Google account. Alright, so same thing. Account. So basically is supports both internal service and external OS. Alright. So this is just kind of like the general overview, but it's pretty much going to be the same. External OS. Alright. So what's going to happen here is we're going to have a big database. It's going to store all of the data. It's just going to be a different table. Okay. So I think what I will do is I will start a Django project because I think Django project matches this better. Let's see. So how do I start a Django project again? Django admin start project. can just do this. Okay. I thought, okay, 1 second. Count. All right. Okay. So let me take a look how it's gonna be look. But the problem is I don't want to commit this project. All right. I don't want to commit this entire project into the GitHub repo. I just want to commit the actual code. So not this account. Let me try to 1 second. I need to let me move the manage up right here. I'm able to move. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be something really bad, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm pretty sure I might messed up the whole thing. Oh no, I already deleted it. Okay, let's see how can I encounter this. Okay, you know what? Here's what I will do. I will close this window completely. And I will make a new Django project. Because I'm afraid there might be some deployment issues if I do this. Let's see. Let's see. What I want to do is let me make a new GitHub. Let me make up a new Django project in the GitHub repo directory. All right. Let's code the account up. All right, we initialize a new GitHub Git repository. Let's do this. Git branch. Account. And then say git push origin. Let's add and commit first. Okay, it doesn't have readme anymore. I need to have a master branch. Yes, I think I messed everything up. But this is just the first video. This is first time I attempt to do something this big. GSuite recreate. commit -n master. Okay, and let me go settings. It should be something called default branch. Okay, I don't think it's rename. Switch to master. I'm not sure how like GitHub branch is really for, to be honest, but I hope it's a way to organize different, data. That's what I hope it is designed for. All right. Let's work on an account now. Okay. All right, so finally be able to get started. I will try to keep the video between 20 minutes to 30 minutes in length, so it's not too long. All right. So let's go set this up in settings.py. Actually, let me just create a new virtual environment really quick. Git ignore. All right, source vmv bin activate. Done. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is this. All right. So let me think about how should we start. Okay, we should start Python manage. Okay, let's pip install Django first, and then let's call this authentication. Startup. Or sure, it's just called authentication. All right. Ooh, I know what can the master branch mean. Master branch can be another Django project. Yeah, just dealing with different routings. Okay. So in here we'll go and say include authentication.urls. All right. Okay. So we'll say from django.contrib.auth.authenticate. log in, log out. Run Django.contrib.os.model. Game per user. Django.contrib.os.models. Yeah. Okay. So there will be three things: register, right? Login view, logout view, right? Oh, failed or check already. I think unit testing is also going to be a great thing that we can implement. All right. So let me just do a really quick check on create account. We're going to do for myself. So this is the form we'll go and re-implement. All right. So in here we'll say, let's see. So register. In here we're gonna say is this. I'm still gonna use Bootstrap. Actually, before recording this video, I even thought, hey, how about we create a challenge to not use Bootstrap? And I'm like, then I think my website will be too ugly even for myself to look at. So, all right, let's create this register .html. All right. Let me add this here. Let me create a base as well. So extend authentication/base.html. So in this, we're gonna also create a folder called authentication. So register, and in here you can just make it fancy. Create your own Google account. I don't know how should we name it. We're just gonna call this Google. All right, block main and block. Okay, so let's see. So let's go to get Bootstrap. Let me go form. All right. So what we want is something like let's see. Yeah. So first name, last name. So is there? Let's choose this. Let me copy. Alright. Okay, in here, just gonna say return render request. Here we'll say education/register.html. URL, so here we're gonna say pass. Alright, let's apply all the migrations. Alright, let's just go here. Forgot to add it here, install app. Okay, let's try again. Alright, I see a 2E here for some reason. I'm gonna remove that one out. Alright, nice. First name, last name. Okay. So in here, particular border. I would like this. Do we to wrap everything instead of a border? Alright, we'll figure it out later. Let's see. So first name, last name. Go some border to the top. When in here is H1, maybe it's a register and account. Alright. First name, last name, right? What else can we got? We need a username. So I think today we're gonna do just get the templates ready, so you can figure out the data in a little bit when we get there. Alright. I would like this password. something like this would work. Then here you can just say oops, that's not the website I want to go to. Maybe I don't need this. See here, you can say placeholder, password, and then placeholder. Confirmation. Alright. What else data do we want? We want this thing. Alright, gonna get this out. Okay, see here, gonna say we're not gonna allow them to sign up to use their current email address. So here I can say username. It's gonna be mail.gsuite.devwithme.xyz. Maybe we can just say mail.devwithme. Yep. So we'll see how can we do that in a little bit. I don't want it to create all of them. I do want to have some margin between them to make it a little bit nicer to read. Yep, so they don't cluster together. And let's see, what else? I think that's all the information we should have. Yep, next. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E. All right. Let's see what's next. Okay. Well, I think that's what I will make it to. But I will figure out, is there any additional information I want to add? Maybe like phone verification. But for now, this is our templates. We figure out how to set up the Git repo, set our Jingle project. I think our next week is going to be a little bit more productive than this. But I would say we get quite a lot of work done. We designed this template that we pretty much never really used in other projects before. So I will see if there's additional information I want to add there. We'll see how I can figure that out. But next video, we're going to primarily dealing with actually submitting the data to the database. Alright, without further ado, thanks for watching this video. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to comment down below. But yes, thanks for watching this video. As always, stay safe and have a nice day. That was me.